Long-range tracking cameras now beginning to pick up the first discernible image of Discovery as it approaches the landing site. 5.5 minutes until touchdown. Discovery about to go subsonic.
Discovery, Houston, on energy approaching the hack. No changes to winds or weather. For the crosswind DTO, will be late chute deploy.
Okay, we're late chute deploy. Kevin and I have got our covers closed.
Copy.
Four and a half minutes until touchdown. Discovery flying straight as an arrow. Soon to go subsonic. 11 miles in altitude. Just 65 miles from the landing site. Cutting through thin clouds, having crossed the Los Angeles basin, computers honed in on runway 22, the northeast to southwest approach to the 3-mile-long concrete runway. Discovery approaching the heading alignment circle, that imaginary cone around the landing site that the pilots use as a point of reference to align their craft to the landing strip. Kevin Ford in control of the stick at this moment. Discovery now going subsonic, the fleet-leading shuttle announcing its arrival at the landing site with a pair of sonic booms. The late afternoon sunshine gleaming off its thermal protection heat shield. 3 minutes until touchdown. Rick Sturckow has taken back the stick from Kevin Ford. The vortices off the wings very obvious. Discovery continuing its turn around the heading alignment circle, aligning with runway 22 at Edwards Air Force Base.
Discovery, on at the 180.
On at the 180.
The slow, gentle turn around the heading alignment circle. Commander Rick Sturckow will soon align Discovery with runway 22, time to touchdown 2 minutes.
Discovery, on at the 90.
On at the 90. Runway in sight, Houston.
Discovery, we copy.
This view from the heads-up display camera, the same view that Rick Sturckow and Kevin Ford are seeing now that we're aligned with runway 22. 1 minute until touchdown. Discovery right on the center line. Moments from now, Rick Sturckow will flare up Discovery's nose. Pilot Kevin Ford will deploy the landing gear. Pre-flare maneuver conducted. Landing gear down and locked. Main gear touchdown. Kevin Ford now deploying the drag chute. Nose gear touchdown. Discovery rolling out on runway 22 at Edwards Air Force Base, California, wrapping up a 5.7 million mile mission to resupply and fortify the International Space Station. Tim Cobra home after 58 days in space.
Houston Discovery, wheel stop.
Copy, wheel stop. Welcome home, Discovery. Congratulations on an extremely successful mission, stepping up science to a new level on the International Space Station.